Alright, there's the train coming. There's the train coming off in the distance. And just so that everybody knows it's a misnomer, all my battery's dying.
If you only have $35 to lose, place that on the board with the video running.
Oh, my batteries are dying. Yeah, no kidding. Alright, you guys are gonna see You gonna pitch in for the 35 bucks? You gonna give me your dead camera?
Yeah, I'll give you the dead
You'll give me my dead camera? Alright, if this doesn't survive, Richard is giving me another digital camera. Crap, we're gonna run out of battery before this train comes.
I know, that's
No, you know what? He's getting pretty close.
Let's not worry him. Let's not cause
No, let's go up and it's on. Are we gonna wave?
Oh yeah,
He's not gonna see that camera though.
Yeah. They don't care about moose or cows or cars, they're not gonna worry about a camera.
What's that?
They don't worry about cows or moose or deer.
No kidding. They worry about people. Take
Yeah.
another step away. He's not going very fast. No. Oh. I hope the video catches it. That'll be cool. Sweet, it's still rolling.
Nice.
The train's now gone. There's the bike.